Okay, below your stereo we have more buttons obviously. So we've got our demister for your rear window, we've got your front window demister, your trip reset button and your hazard lights. The trip reset will change that screen in there, so every time you press it, it will give you different, it gives you outside temperature, a trip A, a trip B, the distance you've got to go to the petrol station, a little picture of your petrol pump telling you which side the fuel's on. We've got the fuel reading going up the right hand side, and then the engine temperature up on the left hand side, and obviously which gear we're in at the top. We'll then have, once you're up and running, your average MPG, your instant MPG, F for front tyres, rear for rear tyre pressures, and then your actual mileage that the car's done. And that's all done from this trip button here. And then below that, just turn that stereo down, we've got our air conditioning. So temperature is set on the right hand side, left hand side even. Right hand side is fan speed, the air conditioning button is in there. Mode will change the direction of the airflow, pretty self-explanatory. Recycled air or straight in air. Your button to send everything up to demist your front windscreen, and then on and off, pretty straightforward. Auxiliary USB and a power point below and another power point down here. On your gear stick you've got EWP, that's economy, winter and power. That will change the way that your gears hold. So economy is the most economic way to drive the car. P would make the car stay in gear a little bit longer to give you a, I don't want to say sporty, but it'll give you more acceleration between gear changes. Winter will soften the gear changes, so it will change a little bit quicker so you don't get wheel spin. And then behind that we've got our electric seats. You've got high and low, so hot or warm bottoms, that's what's in there. And here you've got two levers, one on the right hand side does the top section, the left hand one does the bottom section. Up here we've got a a auto dimming rear view mirror, so the little sensor here will pick up when somebody's coming up behind you with bright lights, and the mirror will actually darken for you. Sun visor with a mirror and your light up there, and then you've got internal lights or door lights up on the top there. Glove box, and up on this little shelf here is your little pot with your key for your wheel locking wheel nuts.